Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss about how we are going to get the impedance parameters from admittance parameters. So if you want to get the impedance parameters by using admittance parameters, so always we need to consider first Y-parameter expressions. Now what are the expressions of Y-parameters? So first we require the expressions of Y-parameters. Now here the Y parameters always given by I1 is equal to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2, and second expression I2 is equal to Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2. Now this is the equation number 1 and this is the equation number 2. Our target is to get the expressions of what? Or we can also call as our target is to get the impedance parameters. But what are the impedance parameters expressions? So those are V1 is equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2, V2 is equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. Now what is our target? Actually our target is to get these expression. If we are getting this expression, so we can directly say that the impedance parameters all are this. Okay, Z11, Z12, Z21, Z22. So our target is to convert all these equations into these equations. If we are converting all these equations into these equations, then we can say that finally we can easily compare with these equations. You will get the value of all the impedance parameters. So that is our target. Now for that what we need to do first? So here the admittance parameter expressions, I1 is equal to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2, I2 is equal to Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2. Now from this expression, so from equation number 2 I am writing like this. So I2 is equal to Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2. So this is the actual expression of a I2. Now from this expression what I am doing, I am going to write the expression of V1. Okay, so here to get the expression of V1, what we need to do, just to send this term to the left side, then it will gives I2 minus Y22 V2 is equal to Y21 into V1. Now we require the expression of Y1 from this one, so we can write V1 is equal to I2 minus Y22 V2 divided by Y21. Now I assume this is equation number 3. Okay, now I assume this is equation number 3. Now substitute this equation number 3 in equation number 1. So substitute equation number 3 in equation number 1. Now actually what is the equation number 1? The equation number 1 is I1 is equal to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2. Now instead of this V1 you can directly substitute this equation. Okay, now see here, by substituting this equation we can write, so I1 is equal to Y11 into, instead of V1, so we are having the expression 3, so I2 minus Y22 V2 divided by Y21. Substitute this term. So here I2 minus Y22 V2 divided by Y21 plus the remaining term is Y12 into V2. Okay, now here this is the expression of a I1. Now just simplify this expression. So I1 is equal to this one Y11 I1, sorry Y11 I2, so Y11 I2 divided by the Y21 minus Y11 Y22 into V2 divided by Y21 plus the remaining term, that is Y12 V2. Now here you can observe that in second term and third term V2 is common. Now take common V2 here. So I1 is equal to Y11 I2 divided by Y21 minus, take V2 common. Now take V2 common, the remaining term is Y11 Y22 divided by Y21 minus Y12. Now see here, plus y12 into v2, here minus y11 y22 into v2 divided by y21. If you are taking common v2 here, then minus v2 into this whole term, it will give the second term in the above expression, and minus v2 into this minus of y12, it will give the plus y12 into v2. Now here just simplify this expression. So I1 is equal to y11 I2 divided by y21 minus v2 into so y11 into y22 minus y12 into y21 divided by y21. Now here this numerator term, that is y11 into y22 minus y12 into y21, instead of this whole term I can directly placing delta y for simplification purpose. Okay, so instead of this whole term I am placing delta y. So by placing that one, you will get the expression I1 is equal to y11 I2 divided by y21 minus v2 into, so this whole complete term delta, this is delta y divided by y21. Okay, so by substituting this delta y instead of this whole term, finally you are getting this expression. Now again simplify this one. Now see here, now again by simplifying this expression, finally you will get the z parameters. Okay, now see here, so the previous step is I1 is equal to y11 I2 divided by y21 minus v2 into delta y divided by y21. Now this expression I am writing, so I1 is equal to y11 I2 divided by y21 minus v2 into delta y divided by y21. So actually we required what? We required the expression of v2, because z parameter always v2 is equal to z21 I1 plus z22 I2. So from this expression we are going to convert this expression into this expression. So that is the reason why from this whole expression we need to get the expression of v2. Then we are getting the expression of v2 means, so we are going to get the parameter z21 and z22. Okay, now see here, so from this expression we can write, so I1 minus y11 I2 divided by y21 is equal to minus v2 into delta y divided by y21. Okay, now here see, so this is the left side term and this is the complete right side term. Now we required only v2. So for that what we need to do, see here, so by simplifying this left side term, that is I1 into y21 minus y11 into I2 whole divided by y21 is equal to delta y divided by y21 into v2, and this whole term consisting of negative sign. Okay, now we required the term, that is v2, we require only this one. So that is the reason why v2 is equal to, or minus v2 is equal to, so this whole term, that is I1 into y21 minus y11 into I2 divided by y21 and whole divided by delta y divided by y21. Okay, so this is the numerator term and this is the denominator term. Now in this expression we are having, just see here, so here the numerator term consisting of the denominator y21, and here the denominator term again consisting of the denominator as y21. Here we can simply cross these two, then the remaining term, that is I1 y21 minus y11 I2 divided by delta y. Okay, delta y. Now from this expression we can write minus v2 is equal to I1 into y21 divided by delta y minus y11 into I2 divided by delta y. Okay, now here in the left side we are having minus v2 and the right side we are having this complete term. Now apply minus on both sides, then you will get the expression like this. Now see here, so by applying negative sign on both sides you will get what? So you will get plus v2 is equal to minus of I1 into y21 divided by delta y minus y11 into I2 divided by delta y. Now multiply with this minus for both the terms, you will get v2 is equal to so minus y21 divided by delta y into I1. Next this is plus, so y11 divided by delta y into I2. So this is the final expression of v2. Okay, now we need to convert this expression with the equation of impedance parameters, that is v2 is equal to z12 into I1 plus z21 into I1 plus z22 into I2. If you are going to comparing this expression with this expression, we can say that z21 is equal to minus y21 divided by delta y, and z22 is equal to y11 divided by delta y. So finally we got only two impedance parameters. Okay, now what are the remaining parameters? Again we required z11 and z12. So to calculate those impedance parameters, again we are going to consider the equation number 2. So what is the equation number 2? Actually the equation number 2 of a y parameters are given by, so I2 is equal to so y11 v1 plus y12 I2 is equal to y21 v1 plus y22 into v2. Now we need to get the expression of v2 from this expression. So here we for getting the value of v2, so what we need to do, I2 minus y21 into v1 is equal to y22 into v2. Now from this expression we can write v2 is equal to I2 minus v21 I2 minus y21 into v1 divided by y22. Now assume this is equation number 4. Now substitute equation number 4 again in equation number 1. Okay, now what is equation number 1? Actually the equation number 1 is what? So here the equation number 1 is given by I1 is equal to y11 v1 plus y12 v2. Now instead of this v2 we can directly substitute the value of equation number 4. So the equation number 4 expression is what? So here the equation number 4, that is v2 is equal to I2 minus y21 into v1 divided by y22. Now substitute this equation number 4 in instead of what? v2. Now from that we can write like this. So I1 is equal to y11 into v1 plus y12 into, instead of v2 we can directly substitute I2 minus y21 v1 divided by y22. Now I can simplify this one. So I1 is equal to y11 v1 plus, so multiply this term, y12 into I2 divided by y22 minus y12 into y21 divided by y22 into v1. Now in the first term, in the last term we are having v1 as common. Okay, now take common v1 from these two terms. So I1 is equal to so by taking common v1 from first and third term you will get, so v1 take common y11 minus y21 divided by y22 plus the remaining term, that is y12 I2 divided by y22. Now again simplify this one. So I1 is equal to v1 into, so y11 y22 minus y12 y21 divided by y22 plus y12 into I2 divided by y22. Now in this expression, the first term consisting of numerator y11 y22 minus y12 y21. Instead of this whole term, if you are going to place delta z, then the calculation is very simple. Okay, so that is the reason why what we are doing, instead of this denominator numerator, we are directly placing so delta y. So I1 is equal to v1 into, so instead of this denominator y11 y22 minus y12 and y21, sorry, this is numerator. So y11 y22 minus y12 y21, instead of this one, what we are doing, just we are directly placing the value as delta y divided by what is the remaining term, y22. So here y22 plus the remaining term is what, y12 into I2 divided by y22. So y12 into I2 divided by y22. Okay, now here from this, so I1 is equal to delta y divided by y22 into v1 plus y12 divided by y22 into I2. Okay, so this is the expression. But we know that actually our target is to convert from y parameters into z parameters. So what is the equation of z parameters for first expression? v1 is equal to z11 I1 plus z12 I2. Now what is our target? We need to convert this equation into this equation, because we are having I1, I2 and v1. So from this expression we can write the expression of v1. Okay, so v1 expression is what? So for that, what we need to do? Simple. So I1 minus this second term, I am shifting to the left side, then it will gives I1 minus y12 divided by y22 into I2 is equal to delta y divided by y12 into v1. Now here this is the left side term and this is the right side term. Now here by simplifying this one, you will get I1 into y22 minus y12 into I2 divided by y22 is equal to delta y divided by y22 into v1. Now we require the term v1, so that is the reason why v1 is equal to, so we can write like this, I1 into y22 minus y12 into I2 divided by y22 whole divided by this right side term comes to the numerator of this term, so that is delta y divided by y22. Now here y22 gets cancelled, then you will get the remaining term as I1 into y22 y12 into I2 divided by, you will get delta y. Now this is the equation. Now again simplify this last expression. Again simplifying last expression, you will get the value of remaining two parameters. So here finally we got, that is, so v1 is equal to I1 into y22 minus y12 into I2 whole divided by delta y. I'm just splitting these two terms like this. So v1 is equal to y22 divided by delta y into I1, next minus y12 divided by delta y into I2. Okay, so this is the equation of v1. Now here we can write like this, v1 is equal to y22 divided by delta y into v1 plus minus y12 divided by delta y into I2. Okay, so this is the expression of v1. Now what we need to do, we need to compare this expression with the standard expression, that is v1 is equal to z11 v1, sorry, this is v1 is equal to z11 I1, okay, sorry, this is I1, sorry for that, This is I1. So V1 is equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2. Now by comparing this expression with this expression, you will get the value of Z11 is equal to Y22 divided by delta Y, and Z12 is equal to minus Y12 divided by delta Y. Okay, so remaining two impedance parameters also finally we got. Okay, so this is the procedure we need to find how we are going to getting the impedance parameters by using the admittance parameters. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and please do subscribe to the channel for more updates. Thank you.